Good afternoon, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the second reunion of LPU Performing Arts Association sa inyong taas.
Father in heaven, we come together today in gratitude and celebration as we gather once again for our second dance through prayer.
We thank you for the memories, the friends we made, and the knowledge we gained that has shaped us into who we are today.
Bayang mag-ibig, personal silanganan, alam ng puso, sa ibig mo'y buhay, lupang hirang, duyan na ng mag-ibig, sa manlulupig, di ka pa sisir, sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bukaw, may tiyak ang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang aapi ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo. War is turn onward, beloved alma mater. Onward, O lead us, the green and golden dew. In thy happy homes, our young hearts so delight. Home and thy so far from home, our trees may roam, our love will still be true. Our voices shall unite, will treasure within our hearts the FEU. Will treasure within our hearts the FEU.
It's so nice to be here sa FEU reunion, diba? So nice to be here. Thank you so much for inviting me, and yeah, let's have fun today.
For attending this reunion. What I can say is love and peace to all.
Nabuo na naman tayo kahit na tayo mga bata pa. Pero magpapasalamat din sana tayong lahat. Kundi sa isang taong bumuo nito. Kaya nakakapagod at saka ang kanyang luha at saka puyat, gutom. Kaya ngayon, sa maliit ng token na bibigay sa kanya, bibigyan ko siya ng certificate galing sa LB Pineda Skincare. At least, ina-appreciate instead ng bulaklak na nalalata ito, isasabi ko sa kanang makikita ko. Diba, makasabit sa akin ang alakas mo, makamalipat sa iyo.
Thank you po.
Sino ang dancing queen ng ating organisasyon?
Hindi, Australia.
Mali.
Through the years, you never let me down.
Well, I'm batch 1971, and I want to take this opportunity to thank all of you for coming, near and far, and we pray for all your safety in your travels.
I just would like to thank everyone to come over. Please nagsama-sama po tayo. We're all over around the world, you know. We made our time to come over here. Maraming salamat po.
To all those chairperson and members of different committee. Salamat sa inyong lahat. And I am now 77 years old, and I'm so happy that I can celebrate this event with all of you guys. So I recognize your face, but you have to forgive me because alam niyo naman, tanda na. All of you, handa na. From the bottom of my heart, join kayo. All of you look so beautiful and happy. You can tell everybody. Last thing I would say is, let's all be happy. bagong nagsasayawan. Awiting bago ay naghihintay para isayaw mo.
Awiting bago ay naghihintay upang isayaw mo. Sumayaw, sumunod ka sa aking tagtag. Panahon, kasabay ng mga bagong tugtugin ngayon. Sumayaw, sumunod ka sa aking tagtag. Panahon, makisama, mag-enjoy ka ngayon.
Panahon natin ay iipataya't sundin. Masasayang awitin, nararapat na tangkilikin. Awiting bago ay naghihintay para isayaw mo.
Awiting bago ay naghihintay upang isayaw mo. Sumayaw, sumunod ka sa aking tagtag. Panahon, kasabay ng mga bagong tugtugin ngayon. Sumayaw, sumunod.
Hindi ko alam kung iiyak ako, kung matutuwa ako, especially yours.
Dahil sa inyo, ang tiyan ang puso mo'y nakakatawa. Kaya itong awitin, ang namawin mo'y ay kayong nalitugan. Everybody! Tatanda ang lilipat rin ako, ngunit mayroong awitin.
Do you remember when it first died? September, love was changing the minds, tender, while chasing the clouds away. Our hearts were ringing in the key that our souls were singing as we danced in the night. Remember how the stars rolled the night away. My thoughts are with you, holding hands with your heart to see you. Only blue dark and love. Remember how we knew love was here to stay. Now December found a love we shared in September. Only blue dark love. Remember true love we shared today.
Hello po, magandang hapon. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you that you're still here. And I don't mind if you're not here, but I will still be here. Anything for every, nice to see you all, because we will not be here, all of us, and we will not be able to raise so much funds for the association if not for these two very, very important people na nagtiyaga, nagpuya, yan pugay po natin. Si Miss Menchi Suntay. Come on, Menchu. And you're most deserving. Grabe ang sipag nito, ang puyat, ang sakit ng loob. Idol ko kasi ito, kaya yung trabaho niya, nasa akin na ngayon. So, salamat sa inyo. So, ladies and gentlemen, ito po yung dalawang responsible sa ating kasayahan.
Thank you, everybody. Love you, love you.
Yes. Thank you po sa lahat. Maraming salamat. Mag-enjoy pa po tayo. Kahit na isang oras na lang po. Okay ba? Salamat po sa lahat. Thank you.
Sa inyo lahat, itong mga affair na ganito, talagang nami-miss ko. Dahil nung araw, palagi ako tumarating nito nung nililigaw ko pa si Mrs. Talagang hindi ako pwedeng hindi dumating dito kahit na may iba akong appointment. Ito ang katwiran ko na dapat palaging ipaglaban ko.
Actually, the officers of the FEU, Performing Arts Alumni Association, and also I would like us to offer 3 prayers for nakita if last dyan, ang dami ng nasa kabilang buhay na mga dating dancers, gymnasts, players natin.
Come on, everybody! Clap your hands! Ah, you're looking good! I'm gonna sing my song. It won't take long. We're gonna do the twist and it goes like this. Come on, let's twist again. Like we